Hello friends, today I will uh, discuss about a new method of solving quadratic equation, and this method is originally proposed by Professor um, Po-Shen Loh, and video link is given in the description. You can see his video. He make a very interactive video on mathematics. Now, uh, what we are actually try to do, let's take a quadratic equation here, which is ax square minus of 8x plus of 12. In a traditional method, what we will do, we actually try to find out the combination of two numbers, say alpha or beta, and we solve it like this. So basically, we factorize the number 12 and try to find out the right combination of these three numbers, so that when we add up alpha and beta, two numbers, when we add up it will give 8, and when we multiply it will give 12. So as you see, 2 and 3 is multiply, we will get 6, and there is 2. So you just write down like this. Here alpha is 6, beta is 2, and 6 into 2 is equal to 0. So after removing the parenthesis, you will get like this. Now if you take common here, you will get x minus of 6 and minus 2, so x minus of 6 again. So x minus of 2 into x minus of 6 is equal to 0. So this is our factorization. This is a traditional method. So it actually consumes time, and during exam you will need to solve some quadratic equation, which is not as simple as that. So it will take lots of time. So I am here actually discuss a new method, and this new method is very easy, and you can incorporate it in a better way. So let us take a complex quadratic equation, say 6x square minus of 17x plus of 12 is equal to 0. Okay, you can solve it using our known method like Siddharacharya formula, like minus of b plus minus of b square minus of 4ac by twice a. Okay, what are a b c? So this is a, minus 17 is b, this is a, this is minus 17 b, and this is c. You put it here and you can solve it. Okay, so now let us talk about the new method. We start by taking our old example like x square 8x plus of 12 is equal to 0. So we actually looking for the combination of number, okay, which is just bigger than the average of 8, that is 4 bigger than 4 and less than 4. So take first a middle point of 8. So this 8 is 4. So let us take our choice is 4 plus of u and 4 minus of u, and our condition is that if we multiply these two number it will give 12. So 4 plus of u and 4 minus of u is equal to 12. So this is a basic algebra. A plus b and a minus b formula is a square minus of b square equal to 12. So this is 16 minus of u square equal to 12. So u square is equal to simply 4. So u is plus minus 2. So as you see, the our combination or choice of number is, if you take the positive value of u, it will become 6, and 4 minus of u, there is 4 minus of 2, it's become 2. So this is our original value when we use the traditional method of solving. Now you see, this actually reduce the our time to solve this quadratic equation, because we are not actually looking for the right choice here. Just very simple, you just take the middle point of this middle number, and then take two choices which is slightly greater than 4 or slightly less than 4, and then use the condition and you will get the right answer. Now, if you take some complicated equation like a 6x square minus of 17x plus of 12 is equal to 0, you first actually convert it in a this form. Okay. Now what? Now you just take the middle point of it, like divided by 2, and then make choice like 17 by 12 plus of u and 17 by 12 minus of u. So these are our choice. And what is the condition? 17 by 12 plus of u and 17 by 12 minus of u is must be equal to 2. So if you just use the a square minus of b square formula, so it will become like this. So this is u square. So u square is 289 by 144 minus of 2. So this is 289 minus of 288 divided by 144. So what is u square? U square is simply 1 by 144. Okay. So u is plus minus of 1 by 2. So what are our choices? The choices is 17 by 12 plus of 1 by 12. So this will become 18 by 12. So this is 3 by 2, and 17 by 12 minus of 1 by 12. So this is become 16 by 12 or 4 by 3. Okay. So in this way, we can easily find out the factorization of the above polynomial. This is simply x minus 3 by 2 and x minus 4 by 3. So this actually reduce our time for solving the different uh, complex quadratic equation. I think students will understand it and properly use in his problem solving method. It will reduce your time. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Please subscribe me. Thank you.